welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair and makeup reviews and tutorials. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing a full review unboxing of the TTDEYE contact lenses. Now before we begin with the unboxing of TTDEYE, I just want to take a moment to show you guys some immaculate jewelry from Ana Luisa. They are my favorite jewelry brand because they are amazing at giving back to the planet. Ana Luisa specializes in sustainable jewelry, meaning they are 100% carbon and water neutral from cradle to grave. They have a huge selection of jewelry to choose from that includes lab-grown diamonds, gold-plated brass, and gold-plated sterling silver. Released in limited batches every Friday, each piece is put through rigorous testing to make sure that you are getting the quality that you deserve for a fair price. They have a wide selection of necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings that come in all kinds of styles and colors. So I know when I'm looking for a new piece that I can always find something that suits me. Some of my latest pieces to celebrate the end of summer and beginning of fall are more minimalistic, so that I can mix and match them together and wear them with whatever outfit I have on. One of my favorites is the Evie gold dipped threader earrings made with 14 karat gold on recycled sterling silver. I love the simplicity of the curved chain link pattern mixed with a cabled chain link. It really adds an elegant accent to a night out or even just for casual wear. These earrings pair beautifully along with the Becca necklace, a combination of a slim chain necklace and a dainty charm necklace. This lariat chain features a cubic zirconia at the necklace's center, which is perfect for a low-cut shirt without attracting too much attention. It's simple and elegant, as many things should be. If you've been following my social media for a little while, you may have noticed that I wear my Ana Luisa jewelry just about every time I leave the door. Honestly, I can't get enough of these stunning pieces. Make sure you give them a look. I have a promo code, so make sure you check the link in the description box below and embark on your journey towards sustainable jewelry. It is currently September, which means that Halloween is right around the corner. And if you're like me, you think way ahead about what costume you want to wear. Please remember to like and subscribe and also follow my Instagram at V_Vogue so you can get notifications on my latest uploads and tutorials. If you've been caught up with my channel for the last little while, then you maybe have noticed that yes, I have already done a review and unboxing video for TTDEYE. But here I am back again collaborating with them to show you some of their new Halloween contact lenses. Here I have the cute little box, really fun, and when we open it up, so we have the instructions on how to place your contact lenses, basically just to make sure that you wash your hands before putting them on, that you replace your case every 3 months, and that you make sure to clean your contacts. Normal wear and care for contact lenses. It also comes with these fun little stickers, which are kind of like the images that you see at the front. So we have like Paris, I don't know if this is mochi or some kind of cake with a bow, Japan, and some eyes, fun stuff. And because there are 4 contact lenses in the case, it comes with 4 separate cases for your contact lenses, so you don't have to worry about purchasing your own cases. You can get these contact lenses with a prescription, but since I got laser eye, I don't need a prescription. It also comes with a little pocket mirror. It's cute little bonums. We have this little thing of confetti. I'm still confused what the confetti is for. It came with the confetti last time. I mean, I think this would be cute for nails, maybe. Not entirely sure what these guys are meant for, but they're cute. When we get to the bottom of the box, we get to the boxes of contact lenses. These guys are the month-long contact lenses, and then these guys are 1 year. So the important part, that's why they give you that little instruction manual, is to make sure that you're taking care of your contact lenses, that you're keeping them well lubricated so they don't dry out. So let's go ahead and open one of these guys up and I can show you what they look like. Okay, so we're opening this guy. What is this? Ooh, these ones are the ones I wanted to do a cosplay for Shinobu Kocho from Demon Slayer, and I'm really excited. They didn't have the ones I exactly wanted. Unfortunately, those were already sold out, but I did pick ones that are still purple so I can still cosplay her. So they come in these little packages here with a sterile solution in it. So, okay, let's go ahead and pop these in. Oh wow, it's a really like thick flab here, or flap, not flab. So also inside these little cases here, there's actually a little applicator. So because I have these long nails, which make it a little difficult to apply contact lenses and take them out, I really appreciate that they have these little tools in here. In here we have these little tweezers, just so it's a little bit easier that you can take them out from your case. And then here we also have this little I don't even know what to call this. Kind of dropper. Oh, it's not a dropper. It doesn't drop anything. Kind of like a little suction cuppy, just so basically you can grab the contact lens and just kind of like, that's an awful way to put it. You don't in your eye. Last time I tried these, they kind of made my eye a little bit watery, just because my eyes were still sensitive from getting laser eye about like a year before. So I'm hoping my eyes are a little bit better, that I can wear these and they don't really sting as much. All right, I'm going in. Man, they really seal these on tight. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, I think I need the tweezers for this. Gonna just rest it on my palm, and I'm gonna look at it to make sure that it's actually the right way. Hopefully it doesn't make my eyes leak. That kind of burns my eye. You can tell my eyes, oh, it's getting red. Oh, this does not like, my eye does not like this contact lens. Okay, so I'm looking at it. I see this purple, ooh, my eye's really tearing up. Ooh, I'm glad I put on waterproof mascara on today, because Lord, this was not gonna go really well. It felt a little bit scratchy initially. Okay, I think we got it. I think it's working now. Let's go put in the other one. Maybe this is a sign I shouldn't be wearing these. Oh my God, this eye, I feel like this eye is gonna cry again. We got it. Ooh, this is so cute! Oh my God, okay. Wow. This is gonna be perfect for my Shinobu costume. Like, look at this. Now we have these purple contact lenses. There's these little kind of circles that go around it. I think it's actually meant for a different character from Demon Slayer, but these will also work really well for the other one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Yeah, make sure that you subscribe because I am so excited to do my cosplay. When I have it released, I will put it in the description box below. Yeah, they don't feel as scratchy as they used to like a year ago. When I look at it, there's like this faint purpleness that I see like kind of on the outsides. You know, when you play Call of Duty and you get shot and there's this red kind of like screen that happens when like the blood feels like that, but purple. Oh my God, I'm feeling this so much. Who am I? I am a mystery. Yes, 100%. This is a vibe. Yeah, so let's try the next one. Next off, we have the Nezuko Ghost. So let's open this. There was another pair that I wanted for the Nezuko cosplay, but they were out of stock. Luckily, they actually have a lot of different pairs of pink contacts, so I was able to go with these ones. All right, here we go. Whoa, this is intense. Holy shit. I actually, with this one, I washed it with like a little solution before putting it in my eye. The other one, I just used it directly from the box. Rinse them with a little solution before you put them in your eye, because I think the stuff that it's in is like extremely, extremely harsh. Man, these tweezers are so clutch. Go ahead, just get a little lubricated. Now we're gonna, oh, this one turned a little sideways. Okay. Oh, are you going in place? Oh, she's going sideways too. That's okay, you can just stay sideways. I don't like this one. So, these are really cool. The thing is with this, my vision feels really blurry. There's a lot more of this like pink concave around my eyes. Because the pupil is so small in the contact lens, there's not a lot of space for my own pupil to like see, which is making it that there's this ring of like this dark pink everywhere. I mean, these are really cool. I feel like if I went to a party wearing these, this would be extremely disorienting. But yeah, my vision feels very restricted. It feels kind of like just more blurry. Like I'm trying to look at the screen on my camera right now and I can't tell if I'm in focus or not. It's cool for like, if you wanna do TikToks, if you wanna make like cosplay photos, but I think for like practical wear, might be a little hazardous. I think I'll still wear these for my Nezuko cosplay. Can't see too well with these. I definitely prefer the purple. These are cool, they're really great, but I wouldn't use them for too long, I think. Okay, so next up we have Trinity Green. So I actually wanted the Trinity Gray because I wanted to do a cosplay of Mikasa, but I had Trinity Green. That's okay, that's fine. It's a 1 year soft contact lens. I mean, I'm sure this will work too. Mikasa has like these really light sort of silver blue eyes, which is kind of what I was going for with the gray. You know what? These don't look green at all. Okay, this will be very interesting. Let's try this. You can see it's very light, so I'm a little bit like, what's this gonna turn out as? Right. really don't know how this is gonna go. All right. Oh, well, that was very anticlimactic. This is the 1-year contact lens, so they might be a bit thicker, which is why it's kind of gonna slowly blink. Oh, I'm starting to cry again. You can do it. I think it's too lubricated. That's why it's like slipping in and out. Yeah, the other ones were a lot easier to put in. All right, you know what? Oh, almost there, buddy. It's like it wants to stay, but it can't quite get there. All right, you know what? This could actually work. All right, let's get the other one in. I think the trick is to really push on it, not like don't gouge your eyeball out. The air bubbles, I think that's what's making it pop out because it's a thicker contact. Why is this so difficult? The other ones were a lot easier. All right, now we've got it. After years of crying, Trinity Green is in place. Yeah, this could work for me, Casa. Yeah, obviously it's a little bit more green. I think this can still work because it's still got this like lightness to it. When I look around, there's this slight halo of gray, but it's not that bad compared to like the pink. The pink was really bad. These ones are actually pretty nice. Wow, okay. You know what? Yes, we like this one. And even if you look at it even closer, it has this detail on the inside. Like even when I looked at the contact lens, you could see that it had a little bit of like this brown, and that's kind of what you're seeing on the inside. That's not my eye, that's actually the contact lens. That's really nice actually. Okay, on to the next one. Now this last one is Mystery Red. I just love it so much. I had to get another pair because my other ones were not good anymore. Oh baby, look at this. I really like doing some cosplays of Yumiko Jabami from Kakiguri. These red contacts are absolutely divine. Am I gonna have a hard time with this one as well? I hope not. There we go, there's one. Where did the other one go? All right, here we have Mystery Red. This is so much fun. You can wear this with like a lot of different cosplays. Yeah, Yumiko Jabami. So excited to do this. If we look at it really close, you can see it has kind of like this inwards speckle. But I really like that it's not too vibrant red. Like it's not like this crazy red. I mean, in certain lightings, it might look quite red, but it's not orange. I like that it's like this deep kind of scarlet. Yeah, it's this really deeper red, which I kind of like. But yeah, this is Mystery Red. There's a little bit of red, again, if like I'm being shot in Call of Duty. That's just normal, but it's really not that bad. Compared to the pink was especially bad. My vision doesn't feel blurry, so that's good. I feel like I could wear this for like a long time and it's not gonna irritate me at all. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the TTDEYE contact lenses for cosplay. I really like these contacts. I feel like last year when I did this review unboxing, it's because my eyes were super sensitive. As you saw, the first purple contact lenses that I put in, they really made my eyes cry, but I think it's because I put them in directly from the case with the solution and I didn't actually rinse them beforehand. So I really recommend that you rinse them with your own little solution before putting them in your eye. So yeah, please make sure that you like and subscribe so you can view my cosplays that are gonna be coming up using these contact lenses. When they're available, I will be putting them in the link in the description box below, and also posting them on my Instagram so that you guys can see them and know when the tutorials are uploaded. Shipping really didn't take that much long, but mind you, because I am affiliated with them, working in collaboration with them, I got like probably priority shipping because I needed to do this video. But yeah, these feel really cool. Please make sure that you try TTDEYE. There's also a 15% off coupon code if you want to try these contact lenses for yourself and have some fun with cosplay and Halloween. Make sure that you give them a try. I'll put the link in the description box below of all the different lenses that I tried on today. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in my next videos. Bye!